All right, guys, wanted to finally update you on the interior of my 88 S4. I finally got it all put back together today. It's Sunday afternoon and wanted to show it off a little bit to you guys. So everything came out really nice, actually. There's a few little areas that need to touch up, but we'll have that addressed here pretty quickly. And in the meantime, wanted to show you guys the new leather with the red piping, and what a difference it makes to the car and just the interior, the smell, the feel, and certainly it was worth the effort, the cost, and involved. So that's the captain's chair, and going to the rear. Yeah, also all brand new leather back here and the new piping. We weren't able to save any of the leather here, as when the new piping was being sewn in, the original leather started to rip, so I just ended up getting all brand new leather for the rear, and then also new leather for the center console, because there was some slashes and cuts in it that happened over the years, and just couldn't save it. So all new leather here in the back, and of course center console and shifter, that's all brand new as well with the deviated red stitching. So, and then I re-dyed the center of the door cards here, so that came out really nice. And then also shampooed and really deep cleaned the carpets, so that came out nice. So inside the car smells nice and fresh, and everything looks good. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Nice little update video in the car. It was good to drive it today, actually. It really drives fantastic, and it sounds incredible too. So maybe the next video I do will be a drive along, take you guys along with me, and we'll go roll the car through some gears and get that wonderful V8. So hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned, subscribe, and got some more stuff coming up in this car here pretty soon. And really enjoying ownership so far. Take care, bye.